runway 28 right, head towards Delta and contact ground point 9.
Crossing 28 right and head for Delta, American 2286, ground point 9.
AC 3739 at Golf, cross runway 28 right, follow the 80 and contact ground point 9.
Follow the 80, clear cross 28 right at Golf, contact ground point 9, AC 3739.
Delta 564, contact departure on 126.62.
2662, Delta 564.
United 2194, okay, your ground control is 124.12.
927 Alpha 1 Bravo, contact ground 121.9.
Alpha 1 Bravo 121.9, frequencies on the gate, is it 21.3? Heading 320.
Right heading 320 at India 126 heavy.
Misunderstood you, I guess. Departure on 125.0.
125.0 India 126 heavy, bye-bye.
Delta 1612, turn left on runway 4 left on Alpha 2, contact ground 121.9.
Left on 4 left on Alpha 2, and over the ground of 1612.
Frontier 1280, O'Hare 2 right, November 5, line up and away.
2 right at November 5, line up and away, Frontier 1280. Over the ground, 75 minutes.
Right behind you, can you take a look? Got a 1064. You said 25? That would be Charlie 5. How about Bravo 5? Departure 126.62.
2662 AC 3917.
Polaris 935 at November 28 right at November 5, line up and wait. Going Kilo Kilo, then Alpha 19, left on Alpha.
Jam 44 and establish.
Right 040, clear for takeoff, 28 right at November 5. Yeah, 570.
American 87 Heavy, what's your gauge today?
Mike 4.
Okay, after crossing, head for Kilo Kilo, I guess it is, and contact ground point 9.
Kilo Kilo on point 9, American.
United maintenance, say it again, please. Was it 13? Or City Rails 777 with 31010, South 28, right 28 center, clear land.
Clear to land 28 center, United 555.
Clear to land, wind 350 dust 18, traffic 11 o'clock, 1 mile, westbound, VFR helicopter 1400 will remain south of your course at all times.
That was your clear land and looking for traffic, Labor 4814.
Tower American 187, 3.5 miles, pass.
American 187, report task.
Okay, I've got the international ramp controller up here with me right now, so I'll ask him.
Start runway 28 right and turn above you.
I'll drop out to Hampton 1, up 7, we have a Lindbergh inside, making a visual.
Roger.